Hi, I'm Bill Forsyth, and I got 10 solar panels installed by Riverside Energy Systems. And the reason I put those in is because, nobody wants large hydro bills. And, I'm selling it back to the grid. Last year, I installed them in June, and I think my grand total for electric bill was $50. So I never even got a whole year's solar out of it, and I was still ahead. So know that hydro rates aren't going to go down. So every year that they're up there, you're kind of looking at a 10-year payback, but I think it'll be faster than that. The guys came over, they were in and out in 2 days. Everything was in order when they left, and they did a great job, and showed me how to use the app so I can monitor every day what's going on and how much power I'm generating. See how much energy you've saved. It's a great deal. I would highly recommend Riverside Energy for solar installation because they're very professional, courteous, and knowledgeable.